to learn writing and pinyin. The writing of Chinese characters is a challenge for many people, but through practicing, it can help the brain to deepen the memory of Chinese characters. If you have purchased an electronic pen for reading and writing, you can open the Bluetooth device menu in the setting page, and then open the pen cap. The system will automatically search for the device. After finding the electronic pen, display the name, click, wait for the green light on the pen. When the green light shines on the pen, it means that the pen and the app have established a connection. Click any page on the textbook, enter the corresponding lesson, write in the box on the book, and it can be displayed in the app simultaneously. Click here to enter the writing exercise page. Click the Chinese characters on the page with a finger,
4,
or touch the Chinese characters on the book with your pen, and the stroke order animation of it will be displayed. The bottom of the stroke order animation shows all the stroke orders. Click any one of the strokes, and you can also hear the name of the stroke
横折
and the animation of the stroke. Click the switch button in the upper right corner to switch to stroke selection mode. At this time, you need to select the corresponding strokes in the correct order.
竖横折撇竖弯横
Return to the writing mode again. Use the pen to write in the box on the book. Users without electronic pens can also write on the screen with a finger. After writing, click the check button to score according to accuracy and also the beauty of writing. In addition to writing, Chinese usually use pinyin to input Chinese characters. The advantage of this is that you don't need to remember the stroke order. As long as you know the pronunciation, you can input Chinese characters with 26-letter standard English keyboard, so it's necessary for you to learn pinyin. In the revision page, click the button to enter the pinyin page. Click the play button, and all the content will be read automatically.
波
八
八
八
八
This page has 3 parts. First, arrange all the Chinese characters learned in this session according to the order of initials, and read them out once in this order. Then, according to the arrangement of vowels, and read according to this order. Finally, according to the arrangement of tone, read it in this order. Through this way of reading aloud, you can quickly remember the spelling rules of Chinese pinyin. Enter the test page. Test 11 to 13 is about pinyin. The 11th test is to look for the Chinese character in pinyin. The 12th test is reading in pinyin. The 13th test is to look for pinyin from a Chinese character.